Hey traders, it's 36 minutes past 4 p.m. here in Brisbane on Thursday, the 23rd of November, and I am in the ring with Kiwi dollar. So let's take a look at what changed from yesterday update. So on yesterday update, I've mentioned that I am looking at that 0.60 area for a potential area for my offense. I was quite happy with the fact, if we'll take a look at the daily, that we broke above this level. So we went above it and now we're pulling back. So I wasn't considering necessarily the blue line as the only line for an offense. I was quite happy to look for an offense lower down, but I still need good reason to start my striking. Now, one of the things that could look like a great result would be to have a limit strike at that 0.60. There's a lot of touches at that area, but for me, it didn't have everything that I'm looking for in a limit strike, so that was off the table. Now, let's take a look here on the 15 minutes. What I love about this 15 minutes, as we pushed lower, making lower highs and lower lows, this is a nice area, the last place that the sellers took from the buyers push the price toward that 0.60. Here, they were met with a lot of buyers that came back quickly. So I like that idea. I like that area. So I'm going to move my line here right now to the last place that the sellers pushed lower. And as you can see, we consolidated underneath this level. Now, all of this consolidation happened in the middle of my night. So in my morning, we were still consolidating underneath this level. Now, within these two candles are the change of day. So this is when, for me, it is at 8 a.m. and it's the time that you get the wider spread. So we need to be careful from basing the beginning of the striking on those highs and lows of those candles, because they might be just the edge of the spread rather than a real place that the market has traveled into. But this candle, this rejection candle, and another one over here looked quite nice to me, and they were also just shy of above the last place that the sellers pushed lower. So I've started my offense on this line. As you can see, this offense started within this candle, quick pullback to test it from above, and off we go. Now my defense line is sitting underneath this ultimate low, this 0.60 area. But as always, I like to move my defense line to protect the ground that I've already covered in the ring. And a nice place to do that could be underneath this rejection candle. It's not quite a swing higher low, but what I do like about this area is the fact that we pull back to test the place that the sellers started their offense from. So this is the place that they started their strong push toward that 0.60. It was tested and then bounced and continued higher. So to summarize, I am in the ring with Kiwi dollar. I've started my offense at this black line around the 0.6025 area, with my defense sitting here at the red line just shy of that 0.60 and that higher low on the higher time frame. My point win still sits here at the red line and my knockout at this green line. As always, I am looking to move my defense line to protect the ground that I've already covered in the ring. Happy knockouts, everyone. Bye for now.